Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. Today we are going to show that cube root of 9 plus 4 root of 5 plus cube root of 9 minus 4 root of 5 is a rational number equals with x rational number. So, in order to demonstrate that our x is a rational number, we are going to use this formula. A plus b to the power of 3 equals with a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 plus 3a multiplied with b, round parenthesis, a plus b. Now, our number x becomes x to the power of 3 equals with 18 plus 3x. We have x to the power of 3 minus 3x minus 18 equals with 0. Now we have a third degree equation, yes, in which we will write 18 as minus 27 plus 9 in order to be able to use factorization. We have x to the power of 3 minus 27 minus 3x plus 9 equals 0. Here we have x minus 3 x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 9 minus 3 round parenthesis x minus 3 equals 0. In here we have x minus 3 round parenthesis x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 6, because 9 minus 3x would equal 6 equals 0. Now we have a more simple equation in which we will have first case x minus 3 equals 0, yes, first case, and the second case x minus 3 equals 0 results that x equals 3 in first case, and the second case x to the power of 2 plus 3x plus 6 equals 0. In here, we are going to calculate the discriminant. So we have discriminant equals with formula b to the power of 2 minus 4ac. If we replace a and c, also b, we have discriminant equals with 3 to the power of 2 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6. It results that our discriminant equals with minus 15. Because it's a negative number, we have our solution x equals 3. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what type of exercises you want me to explain to you. If you understood this exercise, hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!